Record coronavirus cases as we are just days away from Thanksgiving. Hundreds racing to get tested, waiting hours to get the swab that could have a major impact on family gatherings. Thanks for joining us. I'm Vanessa Van Hefty. We are seeing testing lines longer than ever. ABC 10 News reporter Cassie Carlisle following the surge. Cassie, first responders are pretty concerned about seeing this.
Yeah, Vanessa, very concerned. I spoke with Dr. Davey Smith, who's the chief of infectious diseases over at UC San Diego, and he's worried seeing those hours-long lines that's going to mean that droves of folks are going to be going home for the holiday. Now, we saw hundreds of people lined up at Linda Vista and at other testing locations around the county Saturday to get that nasal swab, saying that they want to keep their families safe. Dr. Smith says it doesn't matter if you get tested today because the incubation for the virus is 5 days, so you still could be putting your family at risk. He urges virtual or outdoor gatherings. He said after every holiday we've had during the pandemic, we've seen a spike in coronavirus cases. And looking at the surge we're seeing right now, the end of the year could be very grim.
I want to see my parents. I want to see my niece that I've never met. But if we can just get through the winter, I promise these vaccines and treatments are really going to change everything. And that just means that there'll be more of us around to celebrate next year.
The CDC suggests virtual gatherings, avoiding the airport and public transportation, asking people to gather for short periods of time in areas with lots of ventilation, and of course, social distance, wear a mask, and wash your hands. Now, Dr. Davey again says that if you test negative right now or anytime up to Thanksgiving Day, that could be a false negative because you could be in that 5-day incubation period. Reporting live from home, Cassie Carlisle, ABC 10 News.